Right, okay, so yeah, I'm just working on some digital marketing stuff at the moment, and digital marketing is really where you should be putting your efforts into at the moment for your marketing. I'm a huge fan of Google pay-per-click, which you may be able to see on the screen here, and then also Facebook pay-per-click, which is very much all about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Now, whatever platform you're using, the most important aspect is to know two numbers that really matter, two things that really matter, the most important two numbers in marketing, especially in digital marketing. One is cost per acquisition, and one is return on investment or return on advertising spend. So really you want to understand cost per acquisition basically means how much does it cost to get a lead, or how much does it cost to get a new customer, and return on advertising spend means how much return are you getting on what you're actually spending. If you can nail those numbers and understand that and try and get those as low as possible, you can really nail digital marketing and get leads coming through, not automatically, but really through a great system of getting new patients and new clients to your business. Need any help with this? It's complex. To do it right takes time, takes effort, takes money, takes experimentation. But if you really want to do it well and really transform your business, get in touch.